Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and their team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Marehake. Outside hitter number 2, First Lieutenant Killy Joy Betinho. Millbucker number 4, Sergeant Yari Yongko Kimson. Setter number 6, Marian Joy Dolores. Opposite hitter number 8, Staff Sergeant Raya Mariposque. Millbucker number 11, Fireman First, Florence May Madulid. Starting libero at number 10, Rachel Andeguia. Head coach of the AFP Lady Gunners, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. Calling on our Senate Lady Defenders. Let's start with our opposite hitter and their team captain at number 3, Jamie Dilidili. Millbucker number 8, Chichito Piera. Outside hitter number 11, Candice Cerezo. Setter number 13, Marvy Ann Felipe. Outside hitter number 15, Kyle Sinday. Millbucker number 16, Javen Sabas. Starting libero at number 6, Mela Cabrera. Head coach of the Senate Lady Defenders, Mr. Roger Gorayev. It's the AFP Lady Gunner versus the Senate Lady Defenders. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Ito po ang starting lineup ng Lady Gunners. A very solid one, Yari Yongko, May Madulid. Yan po ang isa sa dalawa sa mga pabantayan in terms of offense para sa Lady Gunners. Ito naman ang Lady Defenders. Javen Sabas, Menchi Tubiera, yung kanilang imports. Our starting setter will be Marvy Felipe. Usually off the bench si Lai po ang Johnny Kalay or Jalay ang starting setter, but today she will be coming off the bench. Set number 1. Simula na po. Sabas. First touch is good.
Good start for the Senate. Sabas with that cross-court hit.
1-0 para sa Senado. Here's Yari Yongko, blocked by Sabas. Medyo soft yung hit ni Yongko. Sabas trying to keep it alive, but Sabas crossing the center line. So violation po yan para sa Senado. Unang puntos ng Lady Gunners. Killy Joy Betinho with a serve. Another good pass mula kay Sabas. Sabas attacking. Back-to-back points para kay Javen Sabas. And a good start para kay Sabas today for the Senate. Very aggressive sa simula ng ating bakbakan.
Again, for the Senate, this is an important game. You know, for them to be able to assure themselves of a chance at the Final Four, they have to win all the remaining games that they have.
Yep. And makakatulog yan sa Lady Defenders. Yari Yongko sending the ball outside. So, 2-point lead para sa Lady Defenders. Deguia with the pass. Major Hake tips it. Inangat ni Cerezo. Pasa ni Felipe, hit by Tubiera, inangat ni Madulid. Yari Yongko, battle at the net, and Yari Yongko will get the side out para sa Lady Gunners.
So, a battle or joust at the net. So, but the Senate is showing so far na magiging magandang defense at coverage nitong Senate.
Iba na talagang matangkad. Kuhang-kuha ni Yari Yongko yung bola sa gitna. Tubiera ang pumalo cross-court. Olores para kay Major Hake. Oh, Sabas with a dig. The save is good. Tubiera, great effort. Senado scrambling. Sabas inangat na naman. Dili passes to Biera. Sends it over. Olores. Yari Yonko ties the game at 3.
Good setup for Yonko. Again, she just towers over everybody.
Yeah. Sino mas matangkad sa inyo ni Yonko? Matangkad si Yari?
I think siya, yeah, or pareho lang.
Oo.
Mukha kasi siyang mahaba, very slim.
Actually, no? The serve is gonna be wide. Olores, usually a good server,
Yes,
no?
normally, yeah. She would really have pressure on the service line.
So, outside yung serve niya, lalabang ang Senado ng isa. Ito yung feature natin kanina. Legislative staff, Candice Cerezo Magnaye. Olores passes, Yari Yonko. Off the block ni Tubiera, Sabas inangat. Felipe passes, medyo dikit sa net. Easy block ni Yari Yonko.
And if you have somebody as tall as Yonko at the front line, you really have to be very careful about sets na masyadong dikit sa net.
Yonko, daming errors maaga itong Lady Gunners. Kaya ang Senado nakakatikim ng kalabangan. Not to say na hindi makakakuha ng puntos ang Senado via their offense, ha? Pero yun nga, some easy points given up.
Yeah, that's right. So 3 errors already at the side of AFP, and that's the first on the side of Senate.
Yun lang, if you're the Senate, struggling ka na nga in the standings. So sana really take care of yung possession or yung bola.
I agree. And you're going up against a very strong team, a very consistent team. Kasi these guys have been together, AFP has been together for quite some time. Apart from itong liga natin, may liga rin sila sa military.
That's right.
Yeah.
And some of these players, naglalaro pa kahit ng PBL. Magkakasama yan. Samantala, service error, Major Hake. So back-to-back service errors para sa Lady Gunners. Has to serve by Tubiera. Olores, one-handed set, mababa. So Madulid with an underhand pass. Sabas, blocked by Madulid. Diretso kasi ni Sabas, no? Hindi niya iniwas-iwas eh.
You only have one blocker going up against you, so that means there's a lot of room on the side.
Another good pass mula kay Sabas. Sabas tries again. This time, connects overpass. Sabas almost with the side out, pero may chance ball dito ang Lady Defenders. Sabas. It's outside.
It was just too strong from Sabas, but she had the right thing in mind, aiming for that corner, long ball.
So, lalabang for the first time here in the set ang Lady Gunners up by 1. Sabas looking to tie the game. Blocked again by Madulid. Battle at the net. Sabas with the tip. Olores inangat. And ito si Betinho with a hit to Biera. Passes. Sabas again with a left hand. Marifosque passes. Betinho underhand. Easy over. Sabas ulit. Into the net this time. Sabas back-to-back errors. And napatayo na si Coach Roger Goreyev ng Senado.
And that's not usually a good sign, no? Pagka siya ay tumayo na, tumabi sa'yo.
Gusto mo nakaupo na palagi si Coach Roger. Pag tinayuan ka niyan, ingat-ingat ka na.
Tapos tatabi ka.
Pero naitawid yun ni Sabas. Puntahan natin itong report ni Dana de Guzman. Dana?
Eric and Ivy, kanina ay nakausap ko ang isang maaasahan na player for Senate, which is Candice Cerezo. Dati pala ay siya ay full-time marathoner. She used to run 42 kilometers at na-try na din daw niyang mag-duathlon at sumali rin sa hip-hop dance group. Sabi nga niya, ngayon na naglalaro siya ng volleyball, ay tinatry niya i-apply kung ano yung natutunan niya sa pagmamarathon, which is hanggat hindi pa tapos ang karera, walang bibitaw at tuloy lang. Ngayon naman, she translates that into volleyball na hanggat hindi pa tapos, hindi pa 25, hindi pa nakakatatlong set, ay tuloy lang at walang bibitaw. Balik sa inyo.
Aming salamat, Dana. Athletic pala talaga to si Legislative Staff Candice Cerezo Magnaye. 42K! Wow!
I can only do that in my dreams.
Ay, ako rin. Hanggang 5K lang tayo. Fun run. Hanggang fun run lang ako. Pag sumobra sa 5, hindi na fun.
Kaya nga ako nag-volleyball eh. Yeah, but I think, yung resistensya, yun yung isa sa pinaka talagang...
Matindi yun.
Oo, yun naman siguro yung maibabaon niya from that.
Baka sako-sakong yelo kailangan ng tuhod ko. Kasi mga 21K lang, hindi nakakayanin yan. Kaya,
Tunaw na yung yellow. Palipin pa.
samantala, Yari Yonko, binigay na naman yung kalabangan sa Lady Gunners, 9-8. May Madulid, serving. Nice. Almost an ace! Ang ganda naman ng save! David Sabas!
Excellent save from the Senate. I'm actually watching Coach Roger's reaction kung natuwa siya.
Di ba?
Wala siyang reaction.
Nakatayo pa rin eh.
Oo.
Pag umupo
Wala
na yan,
siyang
medyo okay na. 9-all. Hindi nagpapaiwan ng Senado dito. Underhand set para kay Olores. Back row, Madulid. Nakuha ni Sabas. Sabas again. Oh, May Madulid with a nice dig mula sa back row. Betinho. And the dig is no good. Para kay Kyle Sinday. So, pupunto si Betinho. Panoorin natin. So, first point para kay First Lieutenant Betinho. Pero, binalik niya yung puntos via service error. Ang dami na nito, no? Service errors ng Senado.
That's right. 4 service errors already for AFP.
So, 4 sa 10 puntos ng Senado. Eh, libre lang yun galing sa AFP.
But AFP also committed several attack errors. So, imagine that.
Tama. A nice block para sa Senado as they retake the lead. Dadamang ng isa dito ang Lady Defenders. Tubiera with a block. Sa kabilang banda naman, napatayo na rin si Coach Miriam Go. Para sa Lady Defenders, Felipe with a dig. Dili-dili passes. Sabas mula sa back row. May Madulid digging. Major Hake with a hit. Felipe sets it. Sinday underhand pass. So a chance ball para sa AFP. A nice tip pero easy pick. 1-2 play. Tubiera. Betinho. Bad pass. So an easy ball dito. Chance para sa Senado. Tubiera. Begia with a pass. Eto na, Yari Yonko gets the kill and ties the game at 11.
Excellent attack from Yari Yonko.
So yan Olores, kanina service error to. Tingnan natin, may papasok na to ngayon. Both teams, actually, AFP wala pa palang ace, ano?
Yeah, that's right.
Tubiera, block! Oh, terrific defense para sa Lady Gunners.
And we can really see here that, you know, if the Tubiera is at the front, the defense or net defense of AFP, talagang they really make sure that, in that case, 2 blockers ang tinatapat nila kay Menchi.
1-point lead para sa Lady Gunners. Tubiera. Olores para kay Major Hake. Tubiera with a nice block. Inangat niya. Cerezo Magnaye. Hindi inabot para sa second touch. Biggest lead to para sa Lady Gunners at 2 points, 13-11. Ganun po kadikit ang ating bakbakan dito sa opening set. Defending champions, ang Lady Gunners, first runner-up last year, itong Lady Defenders. Nice hit, that's not coming back. Puntos para kay Jaden Sabas.
Of course, the Senate is not new anymore to playing up against AFP kasi sila rin ang nagtagpo, di ba, sa last na finals of this first season.
That's right. Cerezo Magnaye, nice serve! That's an ace! Pangalawa na po yan para sa Lady Defenders. Pasok na pasok, oh. So, 2 straight points para sa Lady Defenders at napaupo na si Coach Roger.
Okay na ulit.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na ulit.
Outside pa yung palo. Pero may block touch.
Oh, there was a touch call up against,
Outside sana, pero na-block. May block touch yung palo ni Yari Yonko. Tingnan natin kung mahuhuli dito sa replay. Menchi Tubiera, finger shot.
Yeah, it was too fast though for the camera to catch it.
Oo, yung overruled by our first referee, Patrick Castillo. Olores. Madulid mula sa gitna. Got it! So lalabang ang AFP. May sagot sila dito. 2-point run din. to restore their 2-point lead. Yarionko. Good pass para kay Tubiera. Tubiera nasa gitna. Yes! Underhand serve para kay Dili Dili. Major hake! Kita-kita yung butas doon sa depensa ng Lady Defenders.
Good cross-court hit.
Puntahan natin si Dana de Guzman for this report.
Eric, kanina nga ay nakakwentuhan ko si Yen Olores ng AFP. Right now daw, siya ay nagtatrabaho sa Ethical Standards Public Accountability for Air Force. Ang main work daw nito ay nagche-check sila ng mga SALN. At sabi nga niya, na-try din daw niya before na mag-apply to work as a military personnel. So, he tried na daw 3 times pero unfortunately, hindi daw siya nakakapasa. But she's still continuing her service in the Air Force. At sabi nga niya, hindi raw alintana sa kanya ang pagbiyahe daw mula Villamor hanggang Cavite every weekend para daw hindi masacrifice ang kanilang family time. Right now, ngayon, every weekend daw, from Friday, babalik siya. Saturday, balik ulit siya ng Villamor para naman daw makapaghanda sa UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat din. May timeout dito si Coach Roger Correa. Pakinggan natin.
Tapos pag nasabi ka na pumalo, nanggigigil ka. May mga times na paluin mo, dikit na yung bola dun sa... Mong ilaglag, hindi naman basta-basta malalaglagan yung mga yan. Paluin mo lang, ikalat nyo lang yung bola nyo. Ilayo nyo doon sa libero. Nakakadepensa yung libero eh. Mahirap talagang patayan ng bola. Eh, lahat marunong magtigil. Nagtsatsagaan lang talaga natin yan, isa-isa. Ha? Mama, huwag yung lahat. Pinalo yung bola, kinakamay mo, baka ma-injure yung mga daliri mo dyan. Idigpas mo.
Walang bibitaw ha. Isang magandang receive, tapos set up tayo ha. Yes, let's go. Tara. 1, set! Sorry na.
Pretty simple instructions there coming from Coach Roger. Kalmado pa naman siya ibigay ng instruction.
Tatlo pa lang naman hinahabol nila eh. Mababa pa to.
And so far, so good rin naman no, in terms of performance of the girls. So just a few errors lang that they've committed. But other than that, I think they're giving AFP a good game.
Ang sabi niya nga lang, iwas niya sa libero. Although si Tigia wala ngayon para sa Lady Gunners. At sabi ni Coach Roger, ikalat nila yung bola. Kasi lahat magaling magdik eh.
Right.
Marunong pumasok tong Lady Gunners. So yun, dinadala sa dulo ni Javen Sabas. Betinho. Another good pass mula kay Cabrera. So it's an easy over. Mula kay Felipe. Na buenas doon ng Lady Defenders. Hindi na-expect yung ganong klaseng pasa ng Lady Gunners. At nabutasin sila doon. Take a look.
A little hesitation on, I think it was Betinho and Major Hake, no? Both had hesitated a bit. It's a fraction of a second late to get to that ball.
Dalawa hinahabol ng Lady Defenders. Marifosque. Madulid off the chest of Dili. So pupuntos doon. Side out para sa Lady Gunners. Balik sa tatlo. Pinakamalaking kalamangan na ito ngayon para sa Lady Gunners. Sinday to Felipe to Sabas. Sabas will score. That's gonna be 6 points para kay Javen Sabas. Siya ang top scorer ng Senado. Samantalang Yarionko naman ang leader ng Lady Gunners with 7. Kyle Sinday. May isang ace na to si Kyle Sinday. Betinho tips. Inangat ni Tubiera. Felipe. Back to Sabas. Yarionko. Short pass. Madulid. Inangat ni Dili. Sabas again. Oh, De Gia. Diving si Olores for the save. Felipe. Sabas ulit. Dikit sa net. Kinaliwa. And she will score again. That's 7 points na para kay Javen Sabas.
It was excellent defense displayed by AFP, but Sabas just too creative. It made it difficult for them to keep the ball alive.
2 straight points para sa Lady Defenders at mula sa 3-point deficit, isa na lang hinahabol nila dito. Chance to tie on the Sinday serve. Bad pass para kay Madulid. Good pass naman para kay Dili Dili. Here's Sabas to tie the game. Got it! Javen Sabas back-to-back points. And we're tied at 18. What a game para kay Javen Sabas.
He has a very strong start here.
8 points all from attack. Samantala si Kyle Sinday serving very well. Hindi maganda yung mga pasa. This one is better. De Gia passes. Madulid catches the line right in front of Coach Roger Gorayab of the Lady Defenders. So matatapos doon yung 3-point run ng Lady Defenders. That point coming from the Lady Gunners, and they're back on top by 1. Good serve. Short pass para kay Sabas. Sabas attacking. And De Gia. Yari Yonko blocked by Sabas. Yonko passes. Betinho partially blocked. Sabas ulit. Javen Sabas again. 9 points already.
She has been doing everything, receiving, blocking, and attacking for the Senate.
Wala na naman yung kalamangan ng Lady Gunners. Were tied at 19. Yari Yonko. Off the block by Sabas. Serving 19. Lamang ng isa ang Lady Gunners. Short pass para kay Dili Dili. Ito si Menchi Tubiera. Again, a great pass by De Gia. Yari Yonko. Yari Yonko now with 9 points. Last timeout para kay Coach Roger Gorayab. They're down by 2 points.
Matitibag din niya. Maayos naman yung depensa natin eh. Ha? Tsaga na isit mo medyo ilapit-lapit ko na kaunti sa net. Si Yonko pag dun pumapalo, hindi masyadong malakas ang bola niya pag nandun sa open eh, sa gitna eh. Kasi middle player yan eh. Kaya yung pagka napunta sa gitna, ang dami niyang option. Pero doon hindi naman masyado eh. Ha? Asan si Javen?
Catch is there, and it's always a hashtag when it win.
Yeah, okay lang.
Kapit, malayo pa yan ha? Pwede lang, kapit lang, let's go! 1, Senate! Kapit.
Alright, nice to see Coach Roger having some fun with the girls during the huddle. And they're still within striking distance. Ivy, dalawa lang ito hinahabol nila.
Right.
First Lieutenant Kili Joy Betinho with a serve. 21-19. Sabas, good pass. Felipe back to Sabas. And Sabas, that one is just outside. So back to the biggest lead para sa Lady Gunners, up by 3 points. 22-19. Opening set. Betinho has 1 point galing sa atake. Bad pass para kay Tubiera on the receive. 4-point lead, biggest lead right now para sa Lady Gunners. But you look at Javen Sabas. Buong katawan tumawid na sa center line. That's how much he's sacrificing para sa Lady Defenders right now. Very short serve para kay Major. Ay, First Lieutenant Kili Joy Betinho. Second error para sa kanya.
So AFP surprisingly struggling at the service line right now.
Sabas, 9 points lahat yan galing sa atake. Looking for her first ace. She almost got it. Tubiera, hindi na itawid ang bola. First error para kay Menchi Tubiera. And that's gonna be 4 set points para sa Lady Gunners. Good pass para kay Tubiera. Here she comes, Menchie Tubiera. Got it.
Making up for the previous error.
One set point save para sa Lady Defenders. Tatlo pa kailangan nilang habulin to stay alive here in the first set. Teresa Magnaye with the serve. Olores, Yarionko looking for the line, misses it. And 2 set points lost now para sa Lady Gunners. First time out para kay Coach Miriam Go. We'll listen to the Lady Gunners this time.
Kaya naman yung service. Naibigay naman ng maayos. Gawa lang tayo ng play dito ng maayos, ha? Yeah. Sige. Sarap na tayo. Ha? Sarap. Yan. Ano dito?
May-ari po ng sasakyan
Plan tayo.
na Isan Wine na may plakang NGQ 9377. Maaari po lamang.
Isang magandang receive. Nalmado lang.
Epe!
Gana! Dati pa naliit.
Alright, huwag daw madaliin because haste makes waste. Ika nga. And dalawa na yung nawalang set points para sa Lady Gunners. Looking for their 4th straight win dito sa second round after dropping their first game in 3 sets kontra sa BFP. Cerezo Magnaye with the serve. Look at Menchie Tubiera. That's 3 points. Oh! Yun lang. That timeout helped a lot para medyo manlamig si Cerezo Magnaye and the serve. Medyo malamig pa man din yung panahon ngayon.
That's right. So it's really more difficult to get warm. So service error closes set number 1 in favor of AFP.
Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Paco Arena for the final game ng ating triple header. And a 3-point win para sa Lady Gunners kontra sa Lady Defenders in the first set.
So it's pretty tight. The Senate was able to do a good job in keeping things close. But towards the end, you know, these errors talaga, sometimes ito talaga yung pain in the neck eh. So some unforced errors on the side of the Lady Defenders. And AFP pretty consistent when it comes to the attacking, to the blocking, to the aces. And what's good about it is that may sagot din naman ng Lady Defenders doon sa mga areas na yun. They also scored from the blocks. They also had actually one more service ace than the Lady Gunners. And yun ngayon quite unusual, no? Because we know how efficient AFP usually is at the service line. So karamihan ng mga 7 errors that they had in the first set actually came from the service line.
So let's see kung sino ang makakapag-adjust better here in set number 2. Second beating para sa parehong koponan in Season 2 ng ating UVL. Some changes sa lineup. Number 1, puntahan natin itong lineup muna ni Coach Roger Grayev. Si Lai will be the starting setter now. Hindi na po or off the bench at least si Marvy Felipe. Samantala si Lilet Mapayad naman part of the starting lineup para sa Lady Gunners, and Yari Yonko will be coming off the bench. Also si Mayan Pantino is in the starting lineup for AFP. Sabas. Short pass para kay Major Hake. Here's Mean Pantino. Sabas inangat para kay Tubiera. De Gia with the pass. Olores to Betinho. Dili with the dig. Sabas. Oh, and another great dig para kay De Gia. Chance ball para sa Senado. Pasa ni Cerezo Magnaye. The set to no one. So it's going to be a chance ball para sa AFP. Mabayad! Yes!
I think you really have to credit that point. It was a long rally, but because of that excellent dig of De Gia, you know, that attack was possible.
The first lieutenant Betinho, another service error, Ivy. Parang weakness today, ano? Ng AFP ang service. Janica Lai with the serve. Battle at the net. Javen Sabas winning. The tip. Sabas ulit. Despite the height ni Mabayad, nakalusot yung palo ni Sabas, but the good save and coverage para sa AFP. There's a block by Mabayad. Lai. Overpass ni De Gia. A rare overpass. Sabas. Olores. Nakakuha ng first touch. Mean Pantino sets it. Mabayad. Misses the mark.
First 2 points of the Senate, courtesy of errors of AFP.
So first lead para sa Senado. Bad pass by Betinho. Mabayad adjusting. Easy over. Lai. Sabas ulit. Javen Sabas now has 10 points. First player in double digits, Javen Sabas. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Senado. Janica Lai with a serve. Olores, 1-2 play. Tubiera mula sa back row. Parang kinapus yung talon dun.
She was being careful about stepping on the line.
Samantala, Major Hake with an off-speed hit. So doon natapos yung 3-point run ng Senado. Olores is serving. Wow! Back-to-back na to.
Oh. So, not really the day for services here for AFP.
Javen Sabas, 10 points all mula sa attacks. Lamang ng dalawa ang Senado. 4 serving 2. Olores. Oh! Double contact. Itatawag. Bilis ng pito ni first referee Patrick Castillo. Kitang-kita doon yung violation ni Yan Olores. Back to a 3-point lead para sa Senado. Gonna be a chance ball here. Lai. Tubiera! Yes! Ito na, pinakamalaking kalabangan ng Senado here in set number 2. They're up by 3 points. Beg your pardon, 4 points. 6 serving 2. Oh! Iniwasan ni Marie Foster. And right in between the legs. In na in yung bola. Tingnan natin dito. 5-point lead para sa Senado. Timeout dito si Coach Miriam Go. We'll listen to AFP.
Guys, usap pa ha. Kuha ng bola. Na-target ka ha. Let's go guys. Oh, sige, sige pa. Sabay mo lang. Momentum tayo. Yun ang pala yung ito ko. Let's go, let's go.
Tuloy! Ayun si! Let's go tayo!
Let's go, let's go. Layo pa tayo. Layo pa tayo. Okay ha. 1, 7!
Javen Sabas, consistent yung kanyang serving. Kaya itong AFP, nabaon na sa 5, Ivy.
It's quite unusual again, for AFP, but Senate has been serving very well. So probably they've only scored a couple of aces in the entire game. Pero yung pressure that they're putting on the service line, yun yung game plan ng AFP in most of their games eh. But now, sila yung hirap sa service.
That's right. Another chance ball dito para sa Senado. Tubiera. Block. Tubiera. Overpass. And finally, Mabaya stops the run ng Senado.
Good defense at the net for AFP.
3 serving 7. Nilet Mabaya. Good pass mula kay Sabas. Tubiera. Blocked by Pantino. And back-to-back points dito para sa Lady Gunners. Good response after the timeout para sa AFP. Tubiera, chance ball para sa AFP. Pantino. And, yep, that's a 3-point run now para sa Lady Gunners. From down 5 points, dalawa na lang hinahabol dito ng AFP. Short pass. Lai to Tubiera. De Gia. Ito atake si Major Hake. High toss para kay Tubiera. Oh, and a lucky break para kay Yana Lores on the 1-2 play. It's a 4-point run para sa Lady Gunners.
And Coach Roger did not like how that point was earned. What was basically a free ball already.
Now a chance to tie para sa AFP. 6 serving 7. Sabas back row. Pantino. Sabas again. Sabas is doing everything today. De Gia. Pantino. A dig by Lai. Tubiera tips. De Gia. Good coverage. Pantino ulit. Block this time. Babawian siya ni Benji Tubiera.
Good defense by Tubiera. It was pretty obvious though where Olores would be going.
So hindi naka-tie. Only a 4-point run para sa Lady Gunners. Back to a 2-point lead para sa Lady Defenders. Let's go to Dana de Guzman.
Eric and Ivy, one of the inspiring stories from AFP players is Panpan Pantinos. Sabi niya, literal daw na binago ang buhay niya ng volleyball. Before daw kasi ng volleyball ay nagtitinda lang ng merienda ang kanyang mga magulang. At para makatulong dito ay namamasukan siya bilang cashier sa isang palengke. Sabi rin niya, nung time na nag-college siya, ay para makatulong sa kanyang baon ay namasukan siya bilang katulong sa kanyang mga coaches. At katulong ng mga bata at para din siya din ay isa sa mga namamlansya para daw pandagdag ng kanyang baon. Ngayon naman, fast forward daw ay after college, na-meet niya ang coach nila ngayon at teammate niya sa Air Force na si Wendy Semana. Siya daw ang naghikayat dito na sumali sa Air Force. Ngayon kasama niya at sabi niya very thankful daw siya dahil sa volleyball ay nagkaroon siya ng stable na trabaho at nakapagpatapos din siya ng kanyang mga kapatid. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. Really heartwarming story about Mean Pantino.
Very inspiring. And also, that's where you see that hard work really pays off. Diba? Yun talagang kailangan tsatsagain mo.
And right on cue, pumuntos Mean Pantino to give the Lady Gunners a 1-point lead.
Yung pagod nyo. Sabi siya, konting tiyaga. Alam naman nating mas malakas sila eh. Pag nainip tayo dyan, matatalo talaga yon. Matatalo tayo sa ganyan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's not how you play. It's how you think. kunin nyo ng ano, kunin nyo, blockin nyo, kung blockin nyo talaga. Isang ano, layo nyo yung bola doon sa libero na parang kiti-kiti. Kung saan-saan na, ano, kung saan-saan na andoon yung, ha?
Leg, bulati sa puwet.
Eh, malamang.
Tara, block lang tayo, block ha. Tara,
Let's go!
sa magandang receive ha. Okay, 1, set!
Alright, let's see kung makakakuha ng stop dito and a bit of a run ang Senado. They're down by 1 point and yun nga, one of the main instructions to Coach Roger, iwasan niyo si Digia na libero ng AFP.
She has been doing a very good job, you know, and literally talaga tama yung sinabi nila. She has been all over the floor para nga naman kita in the words of Coach Roger.
And a bad pass there on a service ace para kay Major Hake. 2-point lead para sa AFP. Major Hake with 4 points. Short pass para kay Sabas. Sabas mula sa back row, easy over. Pantino faking, Betinho blocked by Tubiera, pero Olores with coverage. Betinho tries again, blocked again. Mabayad. Next time, Pantino. Inangat nila ay dili-dili passes. Tubiera ang atake. Olores. Double contact ulit. Second violation of the same kind para kay Yan Olores. Lumusok.
Oo, slippery hands. Either that or basa ng pawis yung bola.
So, 1-point lead para sa AFP. Betinho will find the line. Sintay. Hindi naabangan yung kanto na yun. Short pass mula kay Cabrera. Tubiera. And Marifoske inangat. Major Hake. And an underhand pass mula kay Pantino. Lai. Tinawid papunta kay Menchi. Tubiera. And she scores. Make it a 1-point game ulit.
Powerful hit from Tubiera. Riposke just one step short, you know, in keeping that ball alive.
So pagkakataong tie the game para kay Tubiera, serving 10-11. Second set. Major Hake with a bad pass and a service ace para kay Tubiera. That's going to be her first ace, her 7th point, and we're tied at 11. Oh, another nice serve and another ace. 2 straight points para sa Senado, and they have the lead. 12-11.
Good serve from Menchi Tubiera. Let's see if she can pull off a third service ace. Kargadong service.
Pero si Digia lang ang nakapasa ng maganda. And man, Pantino gets the side out. Game is tied at 12. Pantino, starter dito sa set number 2. She didn't play in set number 1. 5 points na para kay Pantino. Sabas. Inangat ni Major Hake. Here comes Betinho. Got it.
Good cross-court hit.
One-point lead again para dito sa Senado. They're looking to retake, actually restore yung kanilang lead here in set number 2. They led by as many as 3 points. Major Hake passes. Olores. Mapayag. Inangat ni Tubiera. Dili-dili says, ako na. Sabas will send it underhand. Chance ball para sa AFP. Betinho. Yes!
And those off speeds are earning the points for AFP. So So sa Zenith, pag malalakas ang palo, kayang-kayang tapatan. Pero yung mga off-speed, you know, that catches them off guard.
Oh. Betinho with 5 points. Lamang na ng 2 ang Lady Gunners. Sabas sets para kay Tubiera. Overpass. And Sabas gets her 12th point of the game. Hindi makalayo ang Lady Gunners. It's a 1-point game. Kyle Sinday looking to tie the game. Mabayad. Oh, good up para kay Tubiera. Tubiera will send it over. Olores to Mabayad. Got it.
Good kill from Mabayad.
Back to a 2-point lead para sa Lady Gunners. Tubiera mula sa back row. Good up para kay Betinho. Major Hake. Tubiera with a dig. Tubiera nagulat. Siya ulit pala. Olores back to Mabayad. Mabayad will score again.
Good decision from Mabayad in changing the angle of that attack. He was actually facing right and decided to bring that to her left.
3-point lead. Pinakamalaki para sa Lady Gunners as we check in with Dana de Guzman.
Eric, dati palang gymnast ang player na si Javen Sabas. Sabi nga lang niya, nagkaroon siya ng injury nung time na yun. Kaya nung nagka-injury siya, ay pinalipat na siya ng nanay niya to volleyball for safety reasons, of course. And after that, ay nagtuloy-tuloy na daw ang naging opportunities niya sa volleyball aside from getting scholarship. Nakakuha na rin, nakadayo na rin si Javen Sabas sa iba't ibang lupalop ng Pilipinas dahil sa paglalaro ng volleyball. At isa rin siya sa mga nakasali sa program ng Japan sa Kurashiki Ablay. So nakasali siya dito sa volleyball program kung saan tinutulungan ng mga Japanese team ang Philippine players para matuto ng volleyball at ma-share ang kanilang knowledge. Now let's go to this timeout. Balik sa inyo.
Palo nga natin, hindi natin mapatay. Yung pangigay, ididigpas mo yan din. Bawas-bawasan ng ano. Konti sipag lang doon sa loob. Galaw lang ng kaunti sa depensa. Nakapapatunga nga tayong bigla eh. Pagka nagbalikan yung bola, napapatunga nga. Ilos lang, pag-tsaga lang ng kaunti.
Tagain lang natin, ha?
Huwag niyong palakin, 5 puntos na yan, no?
Energy, kaya pa yan.
Grab yung sinusunod bago pa yan.
Sige.
One! Set it! Guys, go!
Well, huling timeout na yun para sa Senado. AFP still has 1 timeout remaining. Eh, sabi nga ni Coach Roger, huwag nyo nang palakihin yan because right now they're down by 5 points. AFP up 1-0. And right now they're just 7 points away from winning set number 2. Mabayad. Short on the overhead tip. So nakakuha ng side out. Coach Roger Gurian. There's Javen Sabas, who also has played with the Air Force. Also with Strong Group Athletics. Nakapaglaro rin niya sa PVL. Ang tulad nga ng report ni Dana. For a couple of years. Trained and played with Kurashiki Ablaze. Japanese team na nag-guest na rin sa Pilipinas. Sa Invitational Conference ng PBL, Sabas nagparamdam right on cue. 13th point para kay Javen Sabas. Lai, who is the older sister of Jewel Lai, na naglaro para sa UP. I don't know if you guys remember. Also played for St. Benilde, Jewel Lai. Mabayad with her 2nd straight error. And ito, lumiit yung kalamangan nila. Coach Miriam Go looking concerned. Kanina 5 yan. Ngayon 2 na lang. Hinahabol ng Senado. De Gia passes. Major Hake catches the line for an AFP side out.
And I think there will be substitutions coming in for AFP.
Si Marifosque checked in, replacing De Gia, and ito si Lavado. Well, Wiley Lavado coming in for the first time today. Kapalta naman niya si Marifosque. 3-point lead para kay Ian Olores and the Lady Gunners. Service ace, not yet. Sabas with a good save. Dili. Yun lang. Third touch goes outside.
A good effort though on the side of the Senate.
Apat na ulit. A little 2-point run para sa Lady Gunners. Pagkatapos lumikit to within 2 ng Senado. Dili with a hit. Pinasa ni Pantino. Lavado. Cut shot. Lai will set. Sabas hinabol but hindi kinayang paluin. So that's an underhand. Easy over. Mabayad. Lai with a dig. Sabas. Got it.
No defense on the side of AFP.
So 3-point game, 17 serving 20. Javen Sabas now with 14 points. Leads all scorers for both teams. One-handed set para kay Olores, two-handed dump attempt. And the second try, Mabayad will score.
So for AFP, pretty much, you know, the sets are well distributed. So almost all of the attackers inside the court has earned their points. Pero sa Senate kasi it's heavily going to Biera and to Sabas.
Oh, great wind up para kay Tubiera. They get the side out para sa Senado.
Biera goes off the block. And a lot of force and a lot of power on the attacks of Menchi Tubiera.
Tatlo hinahabol ng Senado. Major Hake, cut shot, Lai, nakuha, Dili passes with the left hand, napalakas lang yung tip ni Tubiera, sayang.
Lucky break for AFP and giving them a 4-point advantage, 22 serving 18.
Dalawa na lang, kailangan, or tatlo, kailangan nila Major Hake to go up 2-0. Sabas with a pass. Sabas gets it back. Betinho with the dig. Pantino. Lai will set to Tubiera. Got it. Menchi Tubiera now with 10 points. Three-point game ulit. Wiley Lavado, nakapagapang sa net. What a shot! Her first point of the match.
Now she's on deck to serve. She's 2 points away from getting set number 2. That's for AFP.
Lavado serving. 4-point lead para sa AFP. Tubiera, she has the hot hand. Oh, pero ang ganda ng block. Mayan Pantino. And it's 5 set points para sa AFP.
This is just the thing, you know, with AFP. Hindi nila pinababayaan yung mga attackers ng Senate, especially if they have Tubiera and Saba. So there's always one blocker defending the net.
Short on the serve si Lavado. By the way, Dr. Baron is in the game para sa AFP. So 4 set points pa rin ang tangan nitong Senado. Menchi Tubiera already has 2 aces along with 10 points. Ooh! Parang no first set din, ano? Error din ng Senado yun eh. Kaya nanalo ang AFP. Ganun din, another service error naman para sa Senado, and it's a 5-point win para sa AFP to go up 2-0. camera. And Coach Roger, talagang, I mean, fans, because of, everybody knows Coach Roger on this success of volleyball and success in life as well. But right now, his team looking for success in this match contra sa Lady Gunners. They're down 2-0, Ivy.
So, Zenith has been able to make a break from themselves, and they're able to execute the attack. So it's a matter again of how well they can hold on up until the end. As we take a look at the numbers for set number 2, the Lady Gunners really just dominating in attack. 17 attack points, so compared to only 8 na nagawa nitong Zenith. In all other areas, it was the Lady Gunners also had the upper hand. Pati sa errors actually. So despite the fact that AFP led and won the second set, they had 4 more errors than what the Zenith has had.
All right, set number 3 underway. A little change the lineup na naman ni Coach Roger Gurayeb as Marvy Felipe is back as a starting setter. At Sheila Cecilio seeing action for the first time as a starter today. Kasama si Karandang, number 10. Mantala, back in the starting lineup. Si May Madulid para sa AFP. And the Lady Gunners on top 1-0. Oh, off the bicep of Karandang. Service ace para kay Madulid. And a 2-0 start para sa AFP. Madulid looking for a target again. Ooh, what a solid serve. Pero Sabas, nice pass. Felipe back to Sabas. And not a good dig para kay Major Hake. Major Hake underhand, easy over. Cecilio with the pass. Sabas ulit, atake through the block of Yari Yoko for the first point ng Senado here in set number 3. Felipe with the serve. Olores, Yari Yoko tumatakbo na late and na short. Yung tip.
Miscommunication on the side of AFP. And Olores quick to apologize to the coaches.
So a 2-point run para sa Senado to tie the game here in set number 3. Olores sets again. This time to Betinho. Cecilio inangat. Felipe to Sabas. Too close to the net. Buti. Naprotektahan ni Sabas but kinapos yung habol doon ni Cecilio. Really fell hard.
Yeah, there's a collision between Cabrera and Cecilio.
Pero Cecilio looks to be okay. Kahit yung AFP, tinitingnan si Cecilio. May gulat sila dahil we heard yung fall na medyo malakas.
That's right.
Cecilio able to take yung bumps and bruises dito sa ating Season 2 ng UVL. Side out para sa Lady Gunners. Lamang ulit ng isa ang AFP. Felipe passes too close to the net ulit. Yari Yonko nandun. This one a better pass. Pero Yonko ulit. That height of Yari Yonko really preventing Sabas from getting a good look.
Let's take a look at that once again. Again, the net defense of AFP. They're really keeping that very tight, especially if the ace players of the Zenith ang nabigyan ng atake.
Oh. 2-point run para sa AFP. They're up 4-2. Major Hake on the approach, and Major Hake will score. Major Hake, 6 points in the game. First Lieutenant Kili Joy Betinho also with 6 points. 2 aces. 3-point lead para sa AFP. Good serve. Almost another ace. Cabrera with a good save. Easy over para kay Sabas. Olores running attack. Sabas. Cecilio. Madulid with the dig. Yeah. Nice tip by Yari Yonko.
A little bit of consecutive scrappy plays on the side of AFP, pero naitawid nila and was able to score a point.
Biggest lead para sa Lady Gunners at 4 points now. Napako bigla ang Senado. This is 4 straight points scored. Make that 5 straight points scored by AFP after that block kay Javen Sabas.
Again, if you have Yari Yonko in front of you, never aim straight. You have to go to the sides, avoid the hands of the block.
Cecilio with a good pass. Felipe sets it. Sabas against 2 blockers.
Oh, but a net violation error on the side of AFP.
First referee Patrick Castillo ang pumito. Bench ng Lady Gunners right now are in the top teams sa Season 2. That serve is going to be wide for Sabas. That will be error number 6 for Sabas. Puntahan natin ang report ni Dana de Guzman. Dana.
Eric, isa sa mga players na regular employees for AFP is Mimi Dr. Baron. Siya nga daw isang registered nurse sa kanilang beneficiary na Victoriano Luna General Hospital. At laking tulong nga daw ng volleyball sa kanyang maging lifestyle. Dahil before daw, 2019, ay nagkaroon siya ng isang cardiac problem, ang Prince Metal Pangina, where her doctors advised her to do an exercise and lose weight. At dahil dyan, napili nga daw niya ang volleyball bilang maging sport niya. At after daw nang sumali daw siya, nagsimula lang siya sa mga kanilang alumni association na volleyball leagues. And right now, nandito na siya sa UVL at nakikipagsabayan sa mga laro. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. Galing naman, no? She's a nurse and she goes by Dr. Baron.
I know.
I don't know if it's her middle name or basta Dr. Baron.
Yeah.
There you go. May Dr. Baron.
And very fitting for the profession, no? Nandun pala siya sa medical industry.
That's right, no? Meantime, Cecilio with her first point of the game. So it's a 4-point deficit para kay Carandang. And the rest of the Senate, but they're back down by 5. Service error para kay Carandang. Major Hake has 1 ace along with 5 attacks, total of 6 points. Good pass para kay Javen Sabas. Cecilio. Ganda ng buwelo. Nice tip. Olores sets it para kay Madulid. Then she catches the line. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng AFP. Ang papalitan na ng side out ng parehong koponan.
But AFP is doing a good job maintaining this lead. That tips the line for Madulid.
Samantala, the serve here by Dolohan, who's in the game for the first time. Para sa AFP. Sabas! Yes! Javen Sabas! Now with 16 points.
It was actually a good pickup by Major Hake, but no support or who's going to get the second ball.
Kahiyaan. Steffi Aquino, the serve. Olores, pasa kay Betinho. Inangat ni Cecilio. Here comes Sabas again. Javen Sabas. This save will be good para kay Digia. Great effort para sa Lady Gunners. Sabas tries again. Dulo-dulo para kay Sabas yung mga palo. Good coverage para sa AFP. Sabas again, kabilang side ulit. Olores all the way out to Betinho. Cecilio inangat. What a rally. This is a good one. Sabas off speed naman. Olores, Madulid. Nice dig para kay Dili-Dili. Cecilio. Sabas tinawid ang bola. Major Hake to Olores. And here comes Betinho. Cecilio with a one-handed dig. Sabas. And there's an up coming from Yari Yonko. Madulid again. Dili-Dili pops it up. Cecilio. Digia passes. Olores. What a rally. Bababa. Madulid with a top spin hit. Nag-agawan. Dili-Dili with a hit. And Dili-Dili out of position. That dig falls into the right place para sa Lady Gunners to end an exciting rally.
That was the longest rally that we've had here in this match. And you can imagine how long it is kasi lahat nakapamewak.
And tumawag na timeout. There's the hit by Dili Dili and the overpass resulting in an easy point. Napatawag ng timeout si Coach Roger para bigyan siguro ng konting pahinga kanyang players.
They really need a breather.
Wala kayo sa pwesto, makatakbo kayo, pabalik sa original niyong pwesto. Yung pagtyagaan nyo na lang yan. Mamamatay din yung bola na yan, pasasaan ko yan. Unahan lang kung sino mapapagot.
Sipag.
Ayun, sipag sa paglalabas, sa pagbablantsa.
Sipag yan, yung mga nanay.
Mga mother nature natin dyan, ha?
Tara.
Sino man ito? Nag-service sa outside, eh.
1, 7!
Coach Roger trying to keep the timeout light, you know, just keep the spirits up for the players. They're down, pero it doesn't mean that dapat, you know, they should feel down as well.
Let's see if that lively huddle can get them something positive in the next few plays. They're down by 5 points here. Ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Lady Gunners here in set number 3. Yeah. Nakabuhay na sila ng isa doon, a free point. Service error ni May Madulid.
Good timeout called by Coach Roger.
So Marvi Felipe, the starting setter, will serve para sa Senado. Olores will set the running attack. Yari Yonko. Inangat ni Felipe. So Cecilia will be the setter. Tatawid lang ni Javen Sabas. Here's Betinho. Usually hits cross court and she finds the opening.
Betinho has been performing very well also today.
Balik sa 5 ang kalabangan ng Lady Gunners. Good pass para kay Cecilio Sabas. Inangat ni Betinho. Olores sets it. Yari Yonko. Got it! Yari Yonko now with 15 points. And it's now the biggest lead para sa Lady Gunners. They are up by 6 points, 14-8. Felipe, underhand set. Sabas nasa gitna. What a dig para kay Madulid. Major hake with a hit. Inangat ni Sabas. Dili passes. Sabas again. Javen Sabas. Short the hit ni Major hake. Oh, but she got lucky. No, wait a minute. Cecilio with a superb save. Madulid down the line. Hindi pa kasi nakakabalik si Cecilio. And she took advantage.
Well, that was an excellent save by Cecilio. I think it's worth the replay. Let's take a look at that. They're just 1 second late in getting back into position. Almost, Almost. You almost had it.
So 7 points. This is now the biggest lead para sa AFP here in set number 3. 15 serving 8. Betinho with a serve. Nice pass by Cecilio. Here comes Sabas again. Very impressive to stamina ni Sabas, but that hit is outside. Sabas is digging, and then on the first touch and then third touch din. Papahingahin na ito ni Coach Roger Guerrero. Then hingal na si Javen Sabas. So Tubiera will get some minutes here.
She needs the rest.
Yeah. 8 points. Biggest lead na para sa AFP. Down to 7. Major hake with a service or make that an attack error as we check in with Dana de Guzman.
Correct. Before pala na coming into Senate, I see Steffi Aquino ng Team Senate ay galing sa Air Force. She was an air woman before. So after 3 years niya ng stint niya sa kanyang Air Force, ay lumipat na siya for Senate as dahil na-inspired din siya sa kanyang parents na government workers din. Dahil dyan, originally, Steffi Aquino pala ay isang badminton player. Siya ay isang MVP at champion sa laro ng volleyball. She played for UST on her college years. But now she's focusing on her volleyball stint at sinasabi nga niya maraming pagkakaiba when it comes to badminton and volleyball. But her coaches are very helpful in correcting her when it comes to the form and defense. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, maraming salamat, Dana. We have a timeout here. Senado will listen in.
Layo na pinanggagalingan ng bola. Pag babagsak na, tsaka kayo gagalaw. Ha? Yan, natatambakan tayo dahil sa error lang natin. Masipag naman tayo, kaso hindi rin natin makontrol yung bola. Dapat sama-sama yun. Masipag tayo, nakokontrol natin yung bola. Ay, service, Menchi. Ano ba yan? Service lang. Pasok nyo lang. Sila na lang magkamali sa service, wag na tayo. Lamang sila ng malaki, hindi tayo afford magka-error sa ganyan. Pagtsaga-tsaga, ha?
Say natin.
Let's go!
Okay. Angat natin, ha? Bawi pa.
1, Senate! Gachi!
Alright, 8-point lead ulit para sa AFP. A few reminders muna kay Coach Roger Goreyev.
Well, that's a good point, no? Because they're playing catch-up here, and talaga namang the last thing that you would need is an error coming from your end.
Actually, sorry, this is a 9-point lead pala. Hindi pa humahabol yung ating score.
It's 18 serving 9.
18-9 na po to. Nakalibreng putos ang Senado after that service fault. So it's 18-10. There you go. Dili-dili serving 10-18. Walo, hinahabol ng Senado. Donohan overhits. So back-to-back errors para sa AFP. Makes it a 7-point game. Madulid passes Olores. Major Hake. Karandang to Aquino. Tulad nga sabi ni Dana kanina, badminton player. Mula sa UST. A little combination play. Cecilio will knock it in.
Cecilio also working very hard here in this set.
So this is 3 straight points para sa Senado. Nice serve para kay Dili-Dili, but a good pass again. De Guia's back on the floor. Yarionco. And a save is no good. So dun magtatapos ang 3-point run ng Senado. The lead is back to 7 para sa Lady Gunners. Nice serve. Lai to Aquino. Nagkahiyaan si Aquino, and so Cecilio picked it up. Belohan, cut shot. Cecilio sets. Ito si Tubiera. De Guia, another great pass. Major Hake. Tulay, short pass. Inangat ni Karandang. Tubiera, easy over. Yarionco to Ray Madulid. Another long rally in the making. Tubiera and De Guia with an easy dig. Major Hake, yes!
Those cut shots really working well for AFP.
So a 2-point run para sa AFP to restore an 8-point lead. Major Hake now with 7 points. Oh, wait a minute. Ang server is number 4. Dapat daw si Yarionco. So that's going to be an easy point para sa Senado. So 7-point game tayo dito. 13 serving 20. Lifting violation na tawag sa AFP. So 2 straight points para sa Senado, but they're all coming from errors ng AFP.
That's right. And, but of course, if you're Senate, you'll take that any day.
Underhand serve, it's very wide para kay Carandang. Ito yung winawarning kanina ni Coach Roger. Di ba na sila mag-error, wag na lang tayo. Pero hindi maiwasan minsan. So the lead is back to 7. Para sa Lady Gunners, 21-14. Ngayon, si Major Hake na talaga.
Na talaga, it's her turn.
Lai, oh!
Violation.
Another error.
This is gonna hurt Senate.
Back-to-back errors to para sa Senado as Dr. Baron. May Dr. Baron checking back in. Balik sa balo ang kalamangan ng AFP. After back-to-back errors ng Senado. Nice serve. Service ace! Major Hake! And lead is back to its biggest para sa Lady Gunners. And after this ace by Major Hake, 9 points. Ang kanilang kalamangan. Lavado will come in para kay Dolohan para sa AFP. Solid na solid yung palo talaga ni Major Hake. Malakas nga lang that time. So service fault. Major Hake. And lead is back to 8. Or deficit is back to 8 para kay Sheila Cecilio and Lady Defenders. Madulid with the pass. Olores out to Lavado. Inangat ni Steffi Aquino. And here comes Tubiera. Yari Yonko. And Dr. Baron. Picked up by Cecilio. Tubiera!
Oh, good pickup by Dr. Baron.
Tubiera. Yari Yonko ang may dig. And here comes Madulid. Off the block ni Tubiera. Lai. Tubiera. Tip. Lai will set it. Cecilio back row off speed. Top spin. Lavado. Mababa.
Was the Senate still alive here, and that's courtesy of the errors on the side of AFP.
Actually, pareho sila eh. Puputos ang
errors, yeah.
Errors. Short pass mula kay Yari Yonko, so it's an overhead toss lang. Chance ball for the Senate. Tubiera, blocked by Madulid, and this will be 8 match points para sa Lady Gunners.
That's a very important point scored by Madulid.
Lavado, good serve. Tubiera trying to save a match point. Olores sets it. Dr. Baron with the easy over. Aquino naman ang papalo. Madulid for the win. Got it. Hey, Madulid delivers the winning point. Madulid with 9. And it's a 9-point win para sa AFP kontra sa Senado here in set number 3. Take a look at that beauty.
So AFP pretty much had control over this match, and wasn't really as easy because, you know, Senate has also given them some difficult sequences, but even overall talagang AFP very solid. They have control of their game and they kept the pace and the momentum on their side for almost the whole entire match.
The only Lady Gunner in double digits, Yari Yonko with 16 points.